Hey you guys, so today basically all I'm gonna do is I got a quick little video I want to show you guys. A lot of people ask me like different techniques on making wigs. So I'm making this particular unit for a client. She has a closure to hers, and she has 3 bundles of, I believe this is Brazilian Wavy. It's by UNice hair, which is a vendor I use as well for a couple of my wigs. I've used their hair and it's really good quality. So basically I have already started on this wig, and I can show you guys another wig that is finished. That one to the side. Excuse her face. My niece she wanted to give her a makeover. But this is a unit that I've already made for the same client. She's getting 2 wigs. So this one is just a little bob cut. It has a closure, of course. I customized the closure. It came really really fine. Like, it didn't look really natural to me. So let me show you guys this closure. I didn't do anything to this closure yet. This is just how it comes. So you guys can see what I mean when I say kinda just, it just looks like just a little straight part. It looks okay, but I think the other one, the one that I customized, I put side by side of the closures. And as you can see, they are different. One will, I think the one that I customized will, I think it'll blend more. I think it'll look more natural instead of like this really, really, really straight fine line versus this. The light is kind of making it look, there it is. The light was making it look a little wider than it was, but I did add a little foundation, a little concealer to the part. And once she comes and she tries on her wigs, I'll customize it a little more to her liking or her styling. So basically, when you start, you want to start from the bottom and work your way up. When you're sewing on that first track, the first extension, what I do is I come all the way up around the sides, because when the wind blows, you don't want to see tracks. You don't want to see, you don't want it to just not look, you want it to fall really good. So if the wind blows, you're good. You know what I mean? It's versus if you just make all the tracks come all the way to the edge, you'll be able to see those little lumps and the tracks in the front. So that's a good technique that I like to use to just, make it be more versatile. So I ran out of thread here. So what I did was I just knotted it. I put a knot there. I double knotted it. And now I just rethread my needle. And I'm going to start back where I left off. I'm not sewing through the tracks, because when you sew through the track, it causes more shedding. So like I said, when I initially start on the track, what I'm doing is I am going through the track the first time, just that one time, to secure the thread so the thread does not come through, so so that you have a tight hold on the track with the thread. But after that, I'm not going through the track anymore. I'm going under the track and through the net. Under the track, through the net. So when I get to this track that I've already sewn down, which is the first track that I laid, I curve this track up. I curve it up instead of, let me see if you can see, instead of, you see, this is where I'm sewing. I don't go straight to here. I curve the track up, as you can see on the slant here, so that the track lays better. And like I said, when the wind blows, if she does want to put her hair back, you don't see any track. I'm going to finish this, and then once I get to the top, I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you guys how I customize the closures. So, okay. So, I am all done. And as you can see, I stopped right at the closure all the way around. So, now take the closure and make sure everything is laying flat. And as you can see, yes it is, yes it is. So now it's closure time. I am going to, I don't know if you can really see it, but I'll show you guys. I'll take it off and I'm going to pluck this part. And yeah, so I'll pull it down a little bit like that. So handy dandy tweezers. I always say use the tweezers with the slant edge, not the pointy ones, because these, you hold it like this and it kind of lays flat and you pull against. I start at the front and I work my way back. Now, this is the part where you have to really be careful because you don't want any bald spots. Okay, honey? So, here we go. So you don't want to mess that up. So just take your time, even if you have to just, little bit at a time, little bit. But you're grabbing the hair and you're pulling. Grab and pull. It's like one motion. Grab and pull. And I'm just opening up that part to make it look a little more natural. I like mine to look a little more natural, not so like perfect and straight. Unnatural, nobody's part is super duper straight and fine. So as you can see, that's how I do this. This is how it would lay on her scalp. It blends really well and the part doesn't look too thin. That's how I make my wigs look natural. I did make this part longer. This part actually was about that long. I made it a little longer because, like I said, I like for them to look a little more natural. And I think that the shorter part doesn't look as natural as this one. So there you go. This is wig number 1. I'm going to finish wig number 2. Well, she's already done. I just wanted to show you guys how I pluck the part and basically how I make my units look more natural. So thank you guys for watching, and like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think. Once again, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.